What are the common complications which we see in nowadays hair transplant? The commonest complication we see unnatural looking hairline because of lack of artistry in the surgeon, or his experience is less about the designing different patient, different hairstyle, different hairline according to the age of patient, according to gender of patient, and according to the need of patient. A natural hair transplant can be achieved by an artistic surgeon who can do it very artistically. I am an artist myself. I do drawing, painting, sculptures, so I can decide the ratios of face, the golden ratios. According to that, we make the hairline in natural pattern, zigzag hairline with single hair grafts covered in the frontal area as well as vertex. In vertex, we designed a whirl pattern, beautiful spoke wheel pattern, a widow's peak in the central area, giving aesthetically better outcome. Similarly, I have designed these temporal triangles. Temporal triangles बनाना भी एक special art है, क्योंकि hair बिल्कुल पतले लगाने होते हैं, एक 0 डिग्री एंगल में बिल्कुल फ्लश लगाने होते हैं, स्किन से बिल्कुल चिपके हुए. अगर जरा भी इसमें एंगुलेशन का गड़बड़ हो जाएगा 5-10 डिग्री, तो ऐसे सींग जैसे बाहर आ जाएंगे. बिल्कुल. So a surgeon has to be a good artist to decide the naturality, angle, direction and pattern of hairline and design. It should not be identifiable as a hair transplant which has been artificially done.
For more information, go to our YouTube links. We have detailed information of this subject on my YouTube videos.